Hello, everyone. Let me first of all, put on me the hat of a fresh graduate. 2 years ago, I graduated from the English language department. If securing a job is all about being competent in languages, I was confident that my skills would outmatch those of my peers. But, my hopes were fated to founder on the rocks of unemployment. This is not to deny the fact that getting a degree is the gateway for hiring at many companies. Even many not-so-good jobs require a college degree, but in fact, tight job market has been flooded by too many college graduates. It is then that I thought of adding more skills to my curricula vitae. And during the pandemic lockdown, I suddenly found myself engaged in cartoon storytelling and scenario building. Think about yourself. Don't you have a story, even a simple story, that you wish to share with others? But the question is how to make your storytelling more engaging and more rewarding. How about getting a job as a script writer? Sources say scenario writing pays off as producers pay generously for a well-written script. We are talking $20,000 per script. Storytelling has been known to us since the dawns of humanity. People would gather around the fire and talk about life. Cavemen as well as ancient Egyptians engraved their stories on walls. Today, we narrate our stories through the use of cartoon animation and text-to-speech software. Scenario writing and animating your story are two skills that I believe every student and fresh graduate should know about. When I share my story with friends, the usual question they ask is, where do I start? As a scriptwriter and protagonist, I know that it is both a science and an art. In my workshop on the 7th of November, I am giving a training session to answer this specific issue. I will also share with you my experience and tell you how in record time I produced my first detective mystery series making the use of idiomatic English. It will, I promise, be a life changer. Many of you will feel that they have already got the talent, but they only needed someone to show them the way. And this session will tell you where to start and how to develop an outstanding scenario, then convert it into a stunning cartoon video in very simple yet effective steps. So, what are you waiting for? Join us today.